This conference will now be recorded.
Hi friends, welcome to Ratan IT. My name is Ratan. Yes, we are discussing COREJAVA assignments, right? Yeah, COREJAVA assignments. Yes, in this video, you'll go for the assignment number 5. Assignment number 5, right? Yeah. I hope you're watching all the assignments, right? So check from the assignment 1 onwards. And I decided to make the almost all 300 plus assignments. You please take the notes and try to maintain the notes and try to follow all the videos, right? Exactly. And one of the students last class he said, "Sir, can please do some assignments in the Eclipse ID?" Guys, this assignment 5, I will work with Eclipse ID. Okay, work with Eclipse ID, right? Yeah. See this assignment, guys. Take the location from end user. Take the location from end user. If the location is what Hyderabad or Secunderabad, maybe the user is entered Hyderabad or what Secunderabad. Anyone he can enter. Visit the Charminar, enjoy the day. If you enter the location is what Vijayawada, Bezwada, then we give the information like to the person Vijay Durga's temple, enjoy the day. If the location is what Ameerpet or SR Nagar. If location is Ameerpet or SR Nagar, visit Ratan sir classes. Okay, enjoy the subject. This is important, right? Yeah. If users enter the wrong input data, give the proper information, right? Yeah. Because when someone give the requirement, we need to take care about every line of code. Like read line by line, try to write the code. Yes or no? You got this requirement, right? Yeah. If you are okay, just you can pause the video and you try to complete the requirement. Okay, so some people, if you want listen from first, just you can go for Eclipse ID. So let me take the Eclipse ID, guys. It's asking like workspace location. Okay, the workspace location is what so Java assignments. The workspace location, guys, this is a space workspace where all the Java files will be stored, right? Exactly. Give the workspace and start the Eclipse ID. The Eclipse ID will start. Guys, the Eclipse ID will start. Yeah, when initially you can see the welcome file, right? Exactly. Simply you can close the welcome file. Yeah, close this welcome file. If this Eclipse ID, go to the file menu, click on the new. When you click on the new, I want to create the project basically. But here you can write the Maven project, Dynamic Web project, EGB project, connector. Multiple projects are there, right? But we are working with the core Java. Core Java means what? Normal Java project is enough. But here, if you go for the file menu new, when you see this information, you can decide this ID is there in the JEE mode. Yes, IDs are two mode, right? Java mode and the JEE mode. There are two modes here. Java mode and what? JEE mode, right? Now this ID is then which mode? JEE mode. That's what you can see the Maven project, Dynamic Web project, right? Yeah. But you want normal core Java applications, guys. That's what right hand side. We have open perspective is there. There we can see the Java. Just click on what? Open, right? Exactly. Now your Eclipse ID generated what? Java mode, right? Exactly. Because to create the core Java application, first we need to create the project. Go to the file menu. Tell me guys, click on the new, select the Java project. Select the project, the project name. Give some project name, guys. What the project name? Tell me. Assignment. What is the assignment number, guys? Assignment number 5. Okay, fine. Let's click on the next. Just click on the finish, right? Click on finish. It's asking module information, guys. I don't want module. I don't want to create any module. Leave it. Because assignments 5 project is created, right? Exactly. Is the project is created or not? The assignment 5 project is created, right? Exactly. This assignment 5, this is SRC folder. Okay, this is a JRE system library. It is taking the Java SC 17th version, right? So maybe my system 17th version is there. Fine. Because if you go for SRC folder, now you want to take the class, right? Take the class SRC. Yes, SRC. Let me take the project name is what? Assignment 5. Project name, let me change otherwise. Better to rename is what? Refactor, guys. Refactor, rename. Okay, this is like assignments. That's it. The project name is assignments. In this assignments src folder, right click. I want to take the class. Right click, new. I want to take the class. Tell me, give us some package name. com.tcs dot what? Com.tcs is what? A company name. Reverse of the domain name, right? com.tcs. So assignments, right? The package name, guys, you can give any package name, but should reflect with what? Organization domain name and project name, right? Exactly. That's name of the package, name of the class. The class name is what? assignment 5. The class name is assignment 5. Click on the main method, right? Just click on the finish. So this is assignment 5, right? Exactly. There's a font size is very less here, so that's what you can go for the shortcut for the increment the font. Control plus plus you can use. Control plus plus, right? Okay, fine. Because after that, but I want to go get the data in the bold format, guys. To get the bold data here, go for the Windows. Because I want the data in which format here? Bold format, right? To get the data in the bold format, go for the Windows preferences. In the preferences, here you can type the directly font. Windows preferences directly can type the font. You can go for the colors and font. Then you can go for the basic font, right? In the basic font, at last we can find the text font here. Double click on this text font. Select the bold italic. Select the bold italic and what? Select the 18, right? Okay, fine. Click on OK, apply and close, right? Yes, that is okay, right? Yes or no? Good. Okay, this my assignment is okay. Okay, see here, this is called outline, guys. Outline is showing that what is the package, what is a class, the class contains how many methods. See, for example, here if I take the one more method like add method, now it is showing the add method here. If I take one variable here, so int number variable, right? It's showing the number variable here. So outline is showing the complete information about your application, right? Exactly. Because if you want, you can see the outline here. Otherwise, you can close this outline. Got the point, right? Yes. Guys, now this Eclipse ID, we create the project and we create the class and we incremented the font size. We check the outline. Everything is ready. Guys, now class is ready. Now we can go for the requirement. Tell me what is the requirement then? Take the location from end user, guys. To take the input from end user, which class we require? Tell me. To take the input from end user, we require the scanner class. That's what scanner. Guys, just write the 2-3 characters, control space. Scanner, scanner equal to new scanner. Okay, system data in, right? Exactly. Then to take the input from end user, scanner class required. Right? Then system data out there printer enough. Enter your location, right? Enter your location. Then he will enter some location in the console, right? As enter your location means where he will enter the data in the command prompt, right? Command prompt technical term is a console. He'll enter the data in the console, right? Exactly. Because from the console, how to read the data? To read the data, you can go for the scanner pipeline, right? Scanner. Can you please read that location, right? Location is what type of data you will enter? Like Vijayawada, Secunderabad, Hyderabad, like that, right? Scanner dot which method, guys? We need to use the next method. Scanner dot next method. What it returns? Tell me. String, the location variable, right? That's it. Guys, I take in the input from end user, right? Yeah, my input is ready. Yes, my input is ready, right? Exactly. Because once your input is ready, we need to check that the location is Hyderabad or Secunderabad, Vijayawada or Bezawada, Ameerpet or SR Nagar. And if you enter the wrong date, we have to give the proper error information, right? Because now this is the time we need to choose, like, we have decided we require the if condition or if else condition, which statement required. Because if is to take how many options? Only one option. If is true. Only true means execute, right? If is to take only one option. What about if else? If else to take how many options? Are two options, right? If a condition is true, like that. But here we have one option or two options, more than two options we have to check. We have to check this is the first option, second option, third option, fourth option. So we have to check total four, right? Then we have to go for else if condition, guys. Because we have to use what? Else if, right? Exactly. Guys, to use the else if, just you can take the if condition. If location dot equals ignore case. Because location ignore case you can use, guys, because when he enter the small case data or uppercase data, small second SEC, capital SEC, both are correct, right? That's what equals ignore case we have to use. Location dot equals ignore case of Secunderabad, or this is logical or we have to use. Don't use a bitwise or, guys. Use a logical or. If you want different, just you can check the COREJAVA playlist is there. Just you can check the playlist. Location dot equals ignore case of Secunderabad, or what? Location, tell me, guys, dot equals ignore case of what? HY, right? Exactly. Okay, see, I'm using R condition, right? Don't use under. R means what? R means what? Anyone is true, then written the true, right? Because R means what? Anyone is true, then return the true. It means he may enter the Secunderabad or he may enter the what? Hyderabad, right? If you put the and means what happened, guys? Both should be satisfied now. Both should be satisfied. But anyone should be satisfied here, right? Yeah, because he may enter the okay Secunderabad or what? Hyderabad, right? Yeah. If it is okay, then what message we have to give? Visit Charminar, enjoy the day, right? Exactly. This is the first case, right? Yeah. But second case, tell me guys, else if you can take. Else if location, tell me guys, location dot equals ignore case. Tell me Vijayawada, or tell me guys, R means pipe symbol, guys. Location dot equals ignore case. Tell me guys, location dot equals ignore case of what? BJD, right? Vijayawada. If both are okay, then give the message that this is our control space. Visit what visit what Durga temple, enjoy the day, right? Exactly. Second message. You got the pointer? Yeah. Third one is what we can take the else if. If else if at last we have to take else block, right? Exactly. It's location. Yeah, tell me guys. Location dot equals location dot equals ignore case. Location dot equals ignore case of what? Ameerpet. Mm. No, Ameerpet. Something like this. You can take a new name, but here Ameerpet, something like AMPT I taken. Fine. This is Ameerpet. Otherwise, you can write the full name, so it's not a problem, right? But yes or no? Yeah. Location dot what? Feeling important, guys. Understanding the example important. That Ameerpet, SR Nagar, names are okay, right? Yeah. Equals ignore case of SR Nagar, right? SRN. If both are okay, control space. The system dot out dot println means what? Sys out control space, right? Exactly. Sys out what am I? Control space. Because if it is okay, then visit Ratan sir classes, right? Enjoy the subject. As I'm clearly explaining, I'm doing in front of you practicals. Okay, so watch the video again and try to do the parallelly practical in your laptop. If you are facing any issues, just you can comment. I'll check once. Because you got the point, right? Yes. Guys, else if, at last you can take else block, guys. What else block here? If you enter these details means no problem. If you enter other than these details, give a message here. You enter valid data, right? Enter what am I? Valid information. Something like I want to give the proper error information, right? Exactly, guys. This is example I given. Just you try to write this kind of code, guys, you will get some more clarity about the coding, right? Because in the real time, all about we have to think about the practical knowledge, guys. Learning the more pages notes, there is no use at all, right? You are carrying the big books also, there is no use until unless you don't do the practicals, right? Yes or no? Practicals are important, not important. So definitely practicals are what important, right? That's what, guys, more focus on the practical knowledge. That's what at least follows all assignments. At least you'll understand that if you're able to write the assignments means you're in the proper way of learning. Otherwise, join Ratan sir classes. Yes or no, yeah. Yeah. Guys, I'm doing this all the code. After that, we need to close the scanner, guys. Once the reading process, everything is completed. So scanner dot what close. Even classroom examples, if you didn't close also, the code is working fine. But the real-time standards, better to close what channel, right? Exactly. Guys, you got the point. This is the example, guys. You got the clarity, right? Yes, guys, can please run this code. Just you can run this code. To run this code, right click on the project, run as Java application is there. Because I click on the project, what am I? Run as what a Java application, right? Click on the Java application. So then click on OK, fine. It's asking that name. Enter your location, right? Enter your location. I enter so Secunderabad, first one. Visit the Charminar, enjoy the day, right? If you want, you can run one more time. Right click here, run as what Java application, right? Exactly. Guys, Vijayawada. So visit Durga temple. Enjoy the day, right? Exactly. Guys, third case, even directly instead of right click here, directly this is called run button, guys. Are you able to see my cursor, right? This is called run button. Click on this run button, enter your location. I enter so Ameerpet. Ameerpet. So just we get the one beautiful information, right? Yeah, visit Ratan sir classes. enjoy the subject, right? Exactly. Because you got the point, right? If you run this code one more time, if you enter like no something as unnecessary information, enter the valid information, right? Exactly. Okay, so are you clear now? Yeah, so you check the requirement and you complete the assignment using Eclipse ID, and you try to write the note on the assignment, guys. When you write the assignment, you'll get the more clarity that what we are writing, right? So writing is more important, guys. So you try to write that assignment so that you'll get the more clarity, right? Yes, yes, no. Try to write the assignment, right? Yeah, guys. Follow all the assignments. Do some work, right? Yeah. Is it clear? Yeah, I'm doing this much work for you guys, and everyone, please like the videos and don't forget this. So up to now, for you it is important assignments. Last 1 minute for me it is important. Like the video, tell me, like the video, comment the video, subscribe to channel to get the more videos, right? And one more important point, please share the videos to your friends so that they will learn some content, right? They will learn some content. This is no. Yeah, so like that, I'll place every videos in YouTube. Yeah, so you try to follow the channel and try to inform to your friends and do the practical knowledge, guys. Don't believe the theoretical. If someone said theory, please stop that classes first. What is the use of the theory? There's no use of theory, guys. You need to put the pen and paper. Otherwise, you need to do the practical knowledge. You know, Ratan sir slogan, right? What is slogan? Always believes with practical knowledge, but not theoretical knowledge. Guys, always believes what ma practical knowledge, but not a theoretical, right? Exactly. Guys, you got the point, right? This is the answer for this assignment here. This is the answer, right? Exactly. The description I'll place these answers here, just if you want, just you can check. Otherwise, you please write when you're doing the practicals, right? When you do the practicals, you try to place your answer into your laptop. Okay, you maintain some Word document. The document contains all the assignments by Mr. Ratan sir. So clear? Yeah. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching. So like the video, comment the video, subscribe to our channel to get the more videos. Inform to your friends about the videos, right? Bye guys. Next video go for next assignment, right?